Calculating. Calculating. Speed. Speed over time.
It's obviously going to roll down this potential.
Speed over time. Percent. Grade. Grade. Error. Error. Calculating. Calculating.
Potential well and disappear to x equal to minus infinity, and all the while its velocity is going to become more and more negative.
You fucking moron.
Need more than double the distance to stop.
no,
double
no.
the distance to
No
stop.
fucks given.
Double the distance
You're
to
on your
stop.
own.
And that's not a coincidence. The impulse equals the area under a force versus time graph.
Have you ever been fucked by an elephant? This is going to be very similar with a 379L Peterbilt Super B up your ass. Primary weight, primary. 63,500 kg. You're about to get fucked with 63,500 kg. No.
Why is everyone so fucking stupid? Why aren't more people intelligent, like me?
Yeah!